Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video. Before starting, I would request you all to please subscribe to this channel, as this channel needs your support, and access the playlist. Link of the playlist is in the description box. Our today's topic is encryption protocols and cryptography. So let's get started. Encryption protocols are essential in cybersecurity to protect data as it is transmitted or stored. They convert data into an unreadable format, ensuring only authorized parties can access the information. Here's an overview of some common encryption protocols and their use cases. 1. SSL/TLS, Secure Sockets Layer/Transport Layer Security. Purpose: secure communication over the Internet, ensuring data privacy and integrity. How it works: encrypts data between web browsers and servers, HTTPS. Prevents eavesdropping, man-in-the-middle, MITM, attacks and data tampering. Uses: online banking and shopping websites. Secure email and messaging apps. 2. IPsec, Internet Protocol Security. Purpose: secures data at the network layer for secure communication over IP networks. How it works: provides encryption, authentication, and integrity checking for IP packets. Works in 2 modes. Transport mode: encrypts only the data. Tunnel mode: encrypts both the data and the header. Uses: virtual private networks, VPNs. Secure communication between devices over the Internet. 3. AES, Advanced Encryption Standard. Purpose: protects data using symmetric encryption, same key for encryption and decryption. How it works: uses 128-bit, 192-bit, or 256-bit keys for encryption. Provides fast, strong encryption for large amounts of data. Uses: securing sensitive files. Encrypting data in storage and transmission. Wi-Fi networks, WPA2, WPA3. 4. RSA Rivis Shamir Adelman. Purpose: public key encryption for secure data transmission. How it works: uses 2 keys. Public key used to encrypt data. Private key used to decrypt data. Uses: secure key exchange for SSL/TLS connections. Digital signatures for verifying identities. 5. HTTPS Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Purpose: secure version of HTTP for encrypted communication between web browsers and servers. How it works: combines SSL/TLS for encryption and authentication. Uses: protecting user data like passwords, payment information, and personal details on websites. 6. PGP Pretty Good Privacy /GPG GNU Privacy Guard. Purpose: encrypting and signing emails or files for secure communication. How it works: uses both symmetric and asymmetric encryption. Ensures that only intended recipients can decrypt messages. Uses: secure email communication. File encryption for personal or professional use. 7. S/MIME, Secure/Multipurpose Internet Mail Extensions. Purpose: encrypts and digitally signs email messages. How it works: uses digital certificates to authenticate email senders and encrypt messages. Uses: corporate email systems to ensure message confidentiality and integrity. 8. WPA/WPA2/WPA3, Wi-Fi Protected Access. Purpose: protects wireless network communications. How it works: WPA2 uses AES for encryption and is widely used. WPA3 improved security with features like forward secrecy and protection against brute force attacks. Uses: home and enterprise Wi-Fi networks. 9. SSH Secure Shell Protocol. Purpose: encrypts remote administration and file transfer sessions. How it works: uses public key encryption to establish a secure connection. Uses: secure access to remote servers and devices. File transfers via SFTP, Secure File Transfer Protocol. 10. BitLocker. Purpose: full disk encryption to protect data on storage devices. How it works: encrypts all files and system data on a disk. Decryption requires a password, PIN, or hardware key. Uses: securing laptops and removable drives. 11. Kerberos. Purpose: network authentication protocol for secure identity verification. How it works: uses tickets issued by a central authority, key distribution center, to verify users. Uses: enterprise networks for single sign-on, SSO. Securing communication in client-server applications. 12. Elliptic curve cryptography, ECC. Purpose: public key encryption with smaller key sizes and strong security. How it works: uses elliptic curve mathematics for encryption and digital signatures. Uses: mobile devices and IoT, Internet of Things, devices where low power consumption is critical. Blockchain technology: choosing the right protocol. For websites, use SSL/TLS or HTTPS. For emails, use PGP, GPG or S/MIME. For Wi-Fi, use WPA3 for maximum security. For file encryption, use AES or BitLocker. With this we have reached end of our tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. I would like to request you to post your comments regarding topics which you want to be covered in this course. See you in the next video. Like this video and share it with your friends who want to learn cybersecurity. And do not forget to subscribe and access this cybersecurity playlist. Thank you.